Got this open earlier, but probably mostly luck. Mostly, I'd say. But I got it open, and I didn't know which pins to do, so. Can't quite get underneath one of them. There we go. So now I'm in a bit of a falsetto, I guess. Now I don't know what to do. I mean, I got this open once before. I just completely overset that thing, whatever that was. I just want to duplicate opening it. Did it once. Now we can't do it again. Sucks. Most likely like just one pin away from really getting this open. Now we've done it. I don't know what we've done. We've done something. Okay, I don't know what that's all about. That's weird. Feels like one of the pins have come completely back up. got it open. It's my first Dimple lock, actual lock. I have the practice one, but it doesn't feel right. I don't know. I feel like most practice ones don't feel right. Now we got to gut it on camera. I have never gutted this lock before, obviously, since I'm learning how to gut or Dimple pick. And so that's kind of what it takes. I know a lot of people are always asking, well, how long should it take me to pick a lock? And how long? Oh, I've done something. I got it open, but now it won't. Oh, duh. No, she won't. She won't go over. Okay, well, I'm not sure what I've done, but let's see if we can get this lock. If we can. Not sure why it won't spin back though. Did I spin it too far over when I did this? Well, obviously I did something wrong. I'm not sure what. I think I spun it too far. No. Hold that for me, Jimmy. Thank you, sir. I don't know what I've done. Oh, it won't come out either. Not good. Not good at all. Well, let's see if we can fix it. Need to have it picked, and then I can't gut it because it's froze up somehow, some way, for some reason. I'm sure somebody out there can tell me what I did wrong. Maybe. I do know there's some kind of pin like right here. A whole bunch of little pins right there. On the top side of this? Is that supposed to be like that? I don't think that's supposed to be like that. Okay, 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 we got it to move. There's some kind of pins over here. I don't know what that is. Okay, but we're back in working order. I just wanted to take a crack at it. I don't know the exact thing that this does. I'm sorry. Hold that, Jimmy. Jimmy knows. I don't. Sorry. First Dimple pick lock ever. Oh, and I've gone too far. Apparently you can go too far. I'm sure I'm gonna screw this up somehow. course, I put that in there wrong. That's nice. And I have dumped a whole bunch of pins out from there. Awesome. That's not cool. However, I do believe purple belt doesn't say I have to put it back together. It just said that I have to gut a lock. A lock. So this is what the little thing is poking out up. I'm assuming. Oh, okay. That's starting to make sense. That core's supposed to be there. Ugh. Oh, nope. That don't belong there. Does it belong in this one? Nope. Does it belong in? Does it belong in this one? That looks like it belongs there. Okay. And why are these so oddly shaped? Possibly there. Hard to say. I'm assuming it's supposed to look something like that, and then these, I'm assuming, go in pointy in first, which I need to use my regular tweezers before I lose a bunch of stuff. Sorry guys, whoever's watching, fast forward if you need to. I'm learning. Okay, that definitely can't be going into that one. Oops. Nope. What about this one? That looks okay. That looks okay. Oh man, it's a guessing game at this point. That looks a little high. High's good, easier to get out. That looks okay. You know what doesn't look okay? My eyeballs. Get my glasses. It's gonna be a long ass video. Sorry. I should have done some research on how to gut these and put them back together before I did all this. Okay, so I seen these, at least that first one in the lock when I was doing it. So that's pretty cool. We're gonna put this in one, two, okay, it's in there. 3, 4, and 5. And I think I'm safe to take it out now. I don't know. Looks like there's a little ball bearing in there. Kind of in there. I don't know if you can see that. Anyway, I put my plug in the wrong way in my hurry, so that was not good. But let's pull what's in there out. Oh god. So let's turn this the right way, please. And this is in one, and a spring in one. Does that little pin come out too? Let me see. Does this pin come out? Oh, wait, what? There's a spring in there. I'm not sure which way that goes in now. There's a pointy end and a flat end. Let me pay attention to the next one. This is the top end. Okay, so it goes like that. And a spring. I don't suppose. Why is this one smooth? And that one's bigger on one end. I don't understand. This is gonna be a pain in the ass to put the springs back in. Okay, there's the lock. Let me take this off my little thing and show you the pins. There they are, where they may be, inside of the core, or the housing, whatever you want to call it. There's a ball bearing in there somewhere, I don't know why. Now I'm scared to put this thing back together. All right. What's the ball bearing about? There's a ball bearing in that one. Or it looks like a ball bearing. Oh, it's still that same one down in there. Okay. All right, well, thank you for, was I supposed to remove that to do the pins easier? Wait, was I supposed to undo that? Oh God. Okay, well, anyway, so I screwed up. It happens. Are they the exact same freaking size? They are the same size. Well, all right. You know, I'll be honest, I don't really know what I'm doing all that well. I'm sure that shows to anybody that's familiar with dimple locks. Maybe you could just take that out and do this a little bit easier, and that's fine. If so, please let me know. I do not know these kinds of locks. Like I said, this is the first dimple lock I've ever picked. And I mean, technically, my little cutaway from multi-pick, I picked it a few times, but it kind of cheap because I look at it and I don't like that. So I decided I need to pick something a little bit more blind. It does have a blind side to it. This side, it doesn't have no pins. So you can technically pick it blind, but wait, I can put everything in back asswards here. Hold up. This was supposed to be facing up. And that's supposed to be facing up. Okay. I think. I don't know if it ain't. Ugh. Springs are kind of weird. Nothing I'm used to. I like Dimple locks. Not quite used to the feeling of them yet, but there is quite a bit of feedback with not a lot of need to tension really heavy, which I like. I'm assuming this is the standard of the Dimple world because there's no spool looking thing. Like this has kind of a spool deal to it. Which, by the way, is not a very nice thing. It will confuse the shit out of you when you have a pin in there. Like crap. Putting these back together is a pain in the butt too. This has to go into 5. Do they make tweezers for these small little things like this? So please let me know. That would be cool if they did. I'm afraid one of these is going to go flying. And I know these are tweezers. Oh, they do have a little offset right there. Never mind. That's the wrong question, so don't answer it. No, you can answer it. I don't care. You ever feel like you're missing a part? Oh, it's already in there. Oh, okay. Jeez, I thought that little pin inside was going. I was like, that's not good. Okay. Now, in theory, as far as I can tell. Whoops, don't do that. We should be good to go. We should be able to pop this back in. Kind of a... All right. And then we should be able to put this thing back on. Damn it, Jimmy. I'm supposed to be one at a time. One at a time. By the way, I'm a blue belt picker. This is to try to get to my purple belt at some point. And you have to do 2 locks. And it works. Yay. Thank you for watching. Like I said, the trainers are pretty cool and all, but I always feel like they just don't feel completely right. Even with any other trainer I had the F and G set. They had an acrylic lock. I got the Sparrow set. They had the little brass cutaways. They didn't feel very good. And then I had like an actual Schlage keyway one off eBay. They had these and it felt a lot better. Kind of like this one feels okay, but yeah, I think real locks are just the way to go. Bang your head against them for a while like me. Eventually you'll figure it out, or you'll stop picking, I guess. I don't know. Anyway, thank you for watching.